Hi, this is Aishwarya Reddy from VIT University. I'm doing this video under Computer Organization and Architecture course and under the guidance of Danbal sir. And this assignment is nothing but selecting a paper and we have to answer few questions. And for this, I selected paper. It is nothing but the research paper I selected is design and implementation of a control system using AVR microcontroller and this is all about the paper I selected and the paper and this having a architecture type of microcontroller instruction set timer counters channel resolution analog digital converter type of oscillators all used in this research paper. These are the related paper. And first question is the draw the existence architectures discussed in the paper, and this is the block diagram of the paper. And this at the right part we'll be having input output module 1 input output module 2 and module n and watching dog timer, analog comparator, SPI unit, interrupt unit, and next we'll be having ALU, input output lines, instruction decoder, and all. And the next is draw the tabulated result and graph for that selected paper. And this is that paper and what are they used. Maximum co-marks achievable and normalized maximum co-marks per square for each core configuration for the 6 target technology favors. And this is the graph. And the next one is to proposed architecture discussed in the paper. And this is the proposed architecture used. HFRA6 derives from MIPS introduced. More specific, HFR risk is a small subset with the target on compatibility with existing tool. And these are the following in difference between risk and HF risk. Memory is accessed in a big Indian mode. No unlined loads. No coprocessor is implemented. Loads and stores take 3 cycles. No load delay slots are needed in the code. And branches are performed on a single cycle not taken or 3 cycles taken. And the first delay slot can be filled with an instruction reduce the cost to 2 cycles. And the interrupts are handled using memory mapped vector, pause, mask, status, and EPC register. And these are all the top points to that related questions. And the core pipeline can be installed by external logic, allowing the design to be integrated with a more complex memory system, such as the RAM control and caches. And this is the diagram for that. In that, we'll be having flash, RAM, and all. And the next, this is also block diagram, which they asked in the question. And draw the transistor level internal diagram using a multisim or OrCAD tool. And this is the circuit diagram, the circuit with LM393. And compare the processed architecture with the existing architecture. This is HFRSC is a small 32-bit in order and 3-stage pipeline. All registers access to the rising edge of a clock. Pipeline stages are fetch, decode, execute. Some architecture features are memory is accessed in a big mode, no unlined rules and all. And loads are stored take 3 cycles. And these are all the points will be discussed. And a version of the core 16 KB of SRM and 4 KB of ROM. And the following instructions from the MIPS instruction set were implemented. This is a performance HF RISC, HF RISC-V, and all existing architecture is RISC. And these all points. Architecture characteristics are discussed here. More RAM is required to store assembly level instructions. Reduced instruction needs a less number of transistors in RISC. RISC uses hardware memory model, means it is a hardware architecture. And the advantages of RISC architecture is reduced instruction set computing. It allows freedom of using the space, and many processors used registers and all. List the advantages of proposed design over existing design. What are all the advantages is the FN version of HRISC, and for the ARM 1176Z and 1605 maximum core marks. Note that as the table 3 shows, and in fact when we compare the process area for the same technology, it is only 0.109 mm square comparing to the 0.273. And list the merits and demerits of the proposed and existing techniques. And the RISC architecture has a set of instructions, so high level language compilers can produce more efficient code. It allows freedom of using space of microprocessor because it is simplistic. Very less number of instruction formats, a few number of instructions, and few addressing modes are needed. Demerits are mostly the performance of RISC process depends on the programmer or a compiler, as the knowledge of the compiler plays a vital role while changing the CISC code to a RISC code. While rearranging the CISC code to a RISC code, termed as a code expansion, will increase the size, and the quality of this code expansion will again depend on the compiler. The first level cache of the RISC processor is also a disadvantage of a RISC. Merit: short 3-stage pipeline, no hazards, fully synchronous, 3-cycle branch delay when taken, no unline loads, no co-processor, configurable HW multiple unit. Demerit: and the reason is that STM device is designed for a low area and low power. Obviously, the price paid is the reduction 5.3x in maximum core marks. In this way, there is a clear opportunity to explore the design space for embedded computing using the different version of HF RISC for different performance requirements. List the application of proposed design. These are all the applications for the design which I used. And IoT application typically require relative high processing power combined to low energy consumption for specific conditions and scenarios. With the shallow pipeline strategy, HF RISC, a 32-bit RISC processor, was designed as pretended in an ISA implementation like the ARM Cortex-M family of processor with only 2 or 3 pipeline stages in place of 8 and 16-bit microcontroller. Draw the flowchart or algorithm or a transistor level circuit proposed in the design. This is the voltage scaling aware design and analysis flow. And this is the paper, the control system. You also get the, all the introduction and all. The paper, the structure of an hardware system, this one. Next, these are all the points output by LED. Software interaction, the software which they are used in this paper. This is all polling scheme and all. Flowchart of a polling scheme. This is the flowchart. And between a microcontroller and peripheral pin number configuration. The ADC channel of a 80 mega 64, and the circuit with LM393, This is a circuit diagram and detailed design. This is okay. And the next acknowledgement and the reference which I used. These are all the references I used for this assignment, and this and that's all. Thank you.